Have you ever pondered the shape of our world? What if the Earth, contrary to popular belief, isn't a spinning sphere, but a flat disk? Or have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered about the existence of intelligent life beyond our planet? Welcome to an exploration of these captivating concepts. The flat Earth theory, a belief that rejects the idea of a spherical Earth, has a rich and compelling history. This theory traces its roots back to ancient civilizations. The early Egyptian and Mesopotamian cultures, for instance, portrayed the world as a flat disk floating in the ocean. This belief persisted until the classical Greek period, when philosophers like Pythagoras and Aristotle provided compelling arguments for a spherical Earth. However, the flat Earth theory resurfaced in the modern age, with the establishment of the Flat Earth Society in the mid-20th century. The society, still active today, presents a variety of arguments challenging the spherical Earth model. They cite perceived anomalies in NASA's images of Earth, discrepancies in airplane flight paths, and the behavior of the horizon as evidence. Yet, these claims face rigorous rebuttals from the scientific community. Critics argue that the evidence presented by flat earthers often misconstrues scientific principles or relies on misunderstandings. For instance, they explain that NASA's images are accurate, flight paths align with a spherical Earth, and the behavior of the horizon is consistent with a globe. The belief in a flat Earth isn't just about evidence or lack thereof, it's also a psychological phenomenon. Some psychologists suggest that conspiracy theories like the flat Earth offer a sense of unique knowledge, fostering a feeling of superiority or rebellion against perceived authority. Now let's shift gears from our home planet to the vast cosmos. The question of life beyond Earth has tantalized scientists and lay people alike for centuries. We've long speculated about the existence of extraterrestrial civilizations, fueling countless works of science fiction. Today, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, is a serious scientific endeavor. Scientists are scanning the cosmos for signals that might indicate the presence of intelligent life. While we've yet to find definitive proof, the vastness of the universe suggests we may not be alone. The discovery of other civilizations would have profound implications. It would force us to rethink our perceptions of life, our place in the universe, and even our societal and ethical norms. In conclusion, whether it's challenging our understanding of our home planet or pondering the existence of extraterrestrial life, these concepts push us to question, explore, and learn. They remind us that our understanding of the universe is continually evolving and that there's always more to discover.